Paul, I turned it on. It's on YouTube Capture, and we're going to be recording a video, okay? You want to be in it?
No.
Well, why not? Look. See? I got it set on that little mount. What do you want to do?
No, whatever.
Paul, you can't close the door that way.
I'm trying.
You can't close the door with your hand on the... Grab the knob! Grab the knob! Just take the knob. The handle, Paul. The handle. Take the handle. Oh, just open the door. Okay. Grab the shiny part. No, from the other side. Now pull. Is your foot stuck in the doorway?
No. Yes.
What was that?
I slipped. The door got stuck.
Did you at least close the door? Go close my door, please. You gonna be in a video or not? Yes?
Nope.
Fine. I don't need you in a YouTube video. I'll make my own.